Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. I will continue the topic for grade 8 science. The topic is food and digestion and learning outcomes are from the book International Lower Secondary Science Book 3 published by Marshall Cavendish. The learning outcome is same, that is to identify food which is rich in particular nutrients. I am continuing the topic for vitamins. These are the sources of vitamins. As I told you in my last video that we can obtain vitamins from both fruits and vegetables as well as from nuts, grams, pulses. So we have vitamin C here. This helps form and maintain bone. It helps form and maintain bones, skin, and blood vessels. It helps the body absorb iron. It boosts the immune system. It enhances wound healing. Required for the formation of collagen. To hold cells together. Collagen is a protein in connective tissues. Deficiency problems include scurvy, or bleeding gums. Resistance to infections decreases. And injured easily. Food sources include citrus fruits like orange, lemon, tomatoes, kiwi fruits, guava, red and green pepper, green leafy vegetables, etc. Vitamin D is required for the growth and development of bones. But some research suggests that vitamin D may contribute to other health benefits such as resistance to cancer, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and hypertension. Hypertension is the situation when blood pressure is high. A deficiency problem, loss of bone density, which can contribute to osteoporosis, which can contribute to osteoporosis and fractures. In children, it can cause rickets. Rickets causes the bone to become soft and bend. Food sources include oily fish, mushrooms, eggs, yolk, dairy products, liver. Our body also produces vitamin D on exposure to sunlight. Vitamin E. It protects it protects cells and vital tissues. Cells and vital tissue. Deficiency problem include muscle weakness, coordination and walking difficulties, due to nerve degeneration in hands and feet. Loss of vision over time. You can even say vision deterioration because vitamin E deficiency can weaken light receptors in the retina and other cells in the eye. Some research suggests that a lack of vitamin E can inhibit the immune cells. Food sources include sunflower seeds, almonds, peanuts, egg yolk, avocado, fish oil, spinach, etc. The last vitamin, which is vitamin K, it helps to make various proteins that are needed for blood clotting, that are needed for blood clotting and the building of bones. The main symptom is excessive bleeding. Other signs include injured easily, small blood clots appearing under the nails, stool is dark, or contain blood. Sources include green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Also produced by bacteria in our gut. Produced by the bacteria in our gut. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.